The Toyota T24A-FTS is a modern 2.4-liter turbocharged four-cylinder that represents a major shift in Toyota's engine philosophy. Designed to replace naturally aspirated V6s and even some V8s, this engine prioritizes efficiency, emissions compliance, and torque delivery over traditional simplicity. It powers models like the Toyota Tacoma, Grand Highlander, and Lexus RX TX, including hybrid variants. On paper, it looks like the perfect balance of power and economy, but as with any first-generation turbo engine, real-world ownership reveals compromises that car enthusiasts should understand before trusting Toyota's legendary reliability badge. The T24A-FTS features an aluminum block and head, a single twin-scroll turbocharger, direct fuel injection, and Toyota's latest dynamic force engineering principles. High compression for a turbo engine, aggressive ignition timing, and tight emissions control make it technically impressive. However, this sophistication comes at the cost of mechanical and thermal complexity. Compared to older Toyota engines, there are more sensors, more cooling circuits, and far more components that must work perfectly together, leaving less margin for neglect or poor maintenance. Turbocharging is the heart of the T24A-FTS, and also its biggest long-term concern. The engine produces strong low-end torque, but it runs hot, especially under load or towing. Owners and technicians have already noted high underhood temperatures, which put stress on the turbo, oil, and surrounding components. Long oil change intervals or low-quality oil can accelerate turbo wear, carbonized oil lines, and bearing issues. While catastrophic turbo failures are not yet widespread, this is clearly an engine that will punish poor maintenance much faster than older naturally aspirated Toyotas. Like most modern turbo engines, the T24A-FTS relies solely on direct injection. That improves efficiency and power, but it also means intake valves never see fuel washing over them. Over time, carbon buildup on intake valves is almost guaranteed, especially with short trips and frequent cold starts. Symptoms may include rough idle, hesitation, or reduced fuel economy. This isn't a short-term reliability killer, but it does introduce a maintenance item, intake cleaning, that Toyota owners historically never had to worry about. This engine is highly sensitive to oil condition and viscosity. Thin, low-quality oil degrades quickly under turbo heat, increasing the risk of timing chain wear, turbo lubrication issues, and internal varnish buildup. While Toyota's official service intervals may look optimistic, real-world experience suggests shorter oil change intervals are essential for longevity. Owners who treat it like an old-school Toyota engine and stretch maintenance may face expensive surprises later. High-pressure fuel pumps, injectors, and a dense network of sensors are critical to the T24A-FTS's performance. While no massive failure trends have emerged yet, early reports mention injector noise, cold start roughness, and occasional check engine lights tied to emissions systems. These are not usually catastrophic problems, but diagnostics and repairs can be costly once the vehicle is out of warranty, especially compared to older Toyota engines with simpler fuel systems. In hybrid applications, the T24A-FTS works alongside electric motors to deliver impressive torque and smooth acceleration. This setup reduces stress on the engine in city driving, but introduces additional complexity: cooling circuits, power electronics, and software integration. While Toyota's hybrid systems have a strong track record, combining a turbo engine with hybrid hardware creates more potential failure points over long-term ownership. The Toyota T24A-FTS 2.4-liter turbo engine shows how far Toyota has moved toward modern, efficiency-driven engineering. It delivers strong performance and good fuel economy, but it also demands careful maintenance and realistic expectations. This is not a neglect-proof Toyota engine. Turbo heat, direct injection, and complex electronics mean long-term reliability depends heavily on how it's serviced. For informed owners, the T24A-FTS can be a solid and capable powertrain, but it clearly marks the end of old-school Toyota simplicity.